In this video, we will show you how to add, delete, and restore a page in WordPress. What is a WordPress page? WordPress pages are a type of content used to display static, timeless information on your website. Key features of WordPress pages. Static content. Pages are ideal for content that doesn't change often, such as about, contact us, and terms of service. No chronological order. Unlike posts, pages don't appear in reverse chronological order and aren't part of your blog feed. No categories or tags by default. Pages don't use WordPress's taxonomy system, though plugins can add this functionality. Custom templates. Pages can use different templates provided by your theme, allowing for varied layouts and designs. Hierarchy support. You can organize pages into parent and child pages, creating a structured sitemap. To get started, let's log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You can access your WordPress admin dashboard in two ways: through your Bluehost account manager or through direct login to WordPress. To access your WordPress admin dashboard through the Bluehost account manager, follow these steps. In your browser, click on Login in the top banner of our Bluehost website, or head straight to the Account Manager page using this link. Enter your user ID and password. You can also use your social login credentials if you have set them up. Enter the verification code sent to your email, then click Verify Code. In the Account Manager, click Websites in the left menu. Click the WordPress admin button for the website you wish to manage. Your WordPress dashboard will open in a new tab. For the direct WordPress login method, follow these steps. In your browser, enter your domain name followed by a /wp-admin. On the login page, enter your WordPress username and password. How to add a page. Once you're inside the WordPress dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. Click on Pages, then select Add Page. You'll now see a blank editor screen. This is where you'll build your page. Start by entering a title at the top. This will be the name of your page, like About Us or Contact. Next, add your content. You can type in text, insert images, embed videos, or add other media. To insert different elements, click the plus icon to choose a block, like a paragraph, heading, or gallery. Want to see how it looks before publishing? Click the preview button in the top right corner. You can view your page on desktop, tablet, or mobile, so it looks great everywhere. Once you're happy with your page, click Publish. Your page will go live instantly, and you can view it directly on your site. And that's it! You've just added a new page to your WordPress site. How to delete a page. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, follow these steps to delete a page. In the left-hand menu, click Pages, then select All Pages. Locate the page you wish to delete. Click Trash located beneath the page title. The page will be deleted and moved to your page's trash bin, where you can restore or permanently delete it later. How to restore a deleted page. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, follow these steps to restore a deleted page. In the left-hand menu, click Pages, then select All Pages. At the top of the page, click the Trash tab to view deleted pages. Find the page you want to restore, then click Restore, which is located beneath its title. You'll be redirected to the Pages section, where your previously deleted page will appear and fully restored. Awesome job! You've just unlocked the skills to add, delete, and restore pages in WordPress like a pro.